For adjusting the surface qualities, well, this is how it looks when you first start up Blender. This is version 2.79, which is the same as what's recommended in the course resources at the beginning of the 3D modeling course. So to get rid of the cube, it should be selected. If it isn't, you can use the right button to select and then hit X on your keyboard and then D or delete. And then at the bottom here, you can add mesh, UV sphere. I'm using my roller on the mouse to zoom in and out. I can also hold down on the roller in the middle of the mouse to navigate in these directions too. And if I left click on this blue vertical line, I can raise it up and down. Same thing with the green arrow, same thing with the red, these different axes. All right, so my object is selected. If I want to have the properties panel, I can hit N, and over here you can see that that pops out or back in. And I want to kind of decrease the size of these parts of the surface here. So a real nice trick is just to hit Control on the keyboard and then 3. And that smooths it out. And then over here on this panel, if you hit Smooth, then it's even smoother.